Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Learnum, an online learning management system or LMS with which you can create unlimited online courses. Learnum allows you to tap into the multi-billion-dollar online industry and be able to work from home by leveraging and monetizing your expertise. Essentially, you can use Learnum to build a passive income. First of all, Learnum includes free web hosting and SSL certificates. You can create unlimited courses with different types of lessons. Learnum comes with a built-in blogging platform, and you don't have to pay transactional fees. For your course content, you can upload videos, audio, text, PDF, and other content. You can add YouTube and Vimeo videos, as well as Zoom webinars. You can create quizzes and assessments, drip feed content, issue branded certificates upon course completion. You can also set up different types of subscription plans and bundle offers. Learnum has a built-in API integration for payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Learnum comes with 6 done-for-you website templates. These professionally designed site templates will help you easily build your course site fast and can be fully customized with the Elementor page builder. If you'd like to make money by monetizing your knowledge, I would encourage you to check Learnum, which is currently available for a special lifetime deal of only $49 one-time payment. Learnum is currently available under 3 subscription pricing plans. However, for a limited time, you can get the premium plan for a one-time payment of only $49 like I mentioned. This includes web hosting for 5 sites or schools, unlimited courses, and unlimited lessons. You can check the link in the description section. In terms of improvements to the platform, it would be nice to see more integrations like Zapier, as well as email autoresponders like MailChimp, Aweber, and others, as well as a built-in affiliate management system. I'll be passing my feedback to the Learnum team. I'm using Learnum myself to create my courses, and you can check my step-by-step tutorials on how to create your own courses using Learnum. Well, hope you found this Learnum review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.